Hello everybody, this is Eric with Argo Real Estate and we are on West End Avenue, the beautiful 80s on West End. Excellent location on the west side of Manhattan, and you have a beautiful co-op apartment here. Very high ceilings, very well renovated. Highlight of this apartment is the open kitchen here, and you've got your living space right over there. Plenty of light coming in, and again, you can see how well renovated this was. A lot of these apartments up here in the older pre-war buildings, they have these cramped kitchens. Here you have a nice open space, because this used to be a doctor's office, and they really renovated it perfectly to open up the space, make it perfect for you. You've got a doorman building, laundry downstairs, 2-bed, 1-bath. We'll take you to the second bedroom over here. Very nice and quiet. And again, you notice those high ceilings, great fixtures, so you have nice light. There are a couple windows facing the back of the building, so it keeps it extra quiet. How about the barn doors? You've got barn doors throughout, with that closet over there and this door here, so it's like the perfect separation. It saves the space, it gives a nice theme to the apartment. You can see how well renovated this bathroom was. Immaculate, perfect bathroom over here. You've got your bathtub as well, so very well done, nice style as goes with the kind of pre-war. And the flooring. Notice the tiling in the bathroom, the flooring out here, that's real wood. Very nice. Again, no expense was spared in this beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom co-op. Big window here, so if you open up the shade, you do get a good amount of light. And huge bed. This got to be a king-size bed. So high ceilings, nice and easy, accessible. Doorman building, 2-bed, 1-bath. Come and